Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, what's up? It's Eddie Got Fans 1K. Today we're gonna be doing a vlog, and we're gonna be going to Melbourne, right? Are we going to Melbourne? Apollo Beach, and that's located in Florida, obviously. We're gonna be going West Florida, whatever that is. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe. I'll let you guys know when we're almost there. Something bad just really happened. We were going on the way over there, and there was like this little, like, I don't know what it is, to be honest. It's like a little like spiky thing, and it went through our tire. Bro. So right now we're gonna go to a gas station nearby, and we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Alright. Guys, so currently we have like 25 more minutes to the beach. We made it out alive, and we, what's it called? Yeah, we stopped at a gas station twice, and the little pointy thing, it like flew off, and then like we waited a while because we thought the air was gonna come out again.
It was like a hanger thingy.
Yeah,
like
it was.
Hanger metal.
Yeah, like a little hanger. By the way, this is my sister. Yeah, here, I'm with everybody here. Let me just show you guys, because let me introduce. Hey, you already know. It's lit, you already know. But yeah, I'll keep you guys noticed when I go to the beach. Oh, so we're almost there to the beach. You guys see over there, we gotta go down this straight road, and then we're almost there. That is lit, it's lit. We just passed a power plant right now, whatever that is. I've never seen that before. Well, I didn't get it, bro. I'm so tight. But look, it's up there. If y'all can see it a little bit, yeah. But yeah, it's lit, you already know. But yeah, we're almost here. You know, our designated driver, Mimi, up in the cut. You already know. Alright, so I'll see y'all there. I'm gonna record as soon as I get out the car, so bye. Look at this huge house. My dude.
They're still making it too.
There was like a whole bunch. When we go back, I'm. Alright, so we're almost here. It took us like an hour, bro. Literally an hour.
Finally.
Apollo Beach, finally. Guys, we're finally.
Take a picture, Naomi.
Finally.
This is
Right.
the world right here. I love you, class. I love you, world.
Yo, my vlog's lit. My vlog's lit. Alright, but. Alright, bro. But I'm gonna take some pictures and stuff. I'm gonna vlog when like we're already like setting up, because I hate vlogging in the car. I get it like a migraine.
Not for nothing, this
What?
is the best beach ever. We're like in a little island.
Yo, for real.
Nobody's here. We're done.
Alright, bro. Yo, so we just got here.
I found a sunflower.
And I like talk the whole time, so like my mouth is like mad dry. But yeah, it's lit. It's like kind of small, but like it's relaxing. So we're lit. What are you doing, son?
Loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. See? Look.
What does that have inside?
Nigga, look.
Oh, by the way, guys, I'm vegan. So.
Look, Naomi. Naomi.
Hey, but it's lit. You already know. Yo, the sun is like.
Yo, look. The mail looks like
Yo, I'm gonna walk over there, to be honest. Come on, Masai. Yo, but we originally came here to like look at the sunset, but we did as are not. Yo, we left the house at 3, and right now it's like 6.
Bro, there's no freaking waves. Eddie, why don't you bring your volleyball?
Cause I don't wanna. Oh, actually, yeah, I should have brought.
Eddie, run.
Oh, so like the beach is over there, kind of. Yeah, we're gonna stay here till the sun goes down. I'm gonna record. Thinking of it now, I'm like mad hungry. Yo, go scare that pigeon. Go scare it. Go. It's old. Yo, I'm about to take some good ass pictures here. What? Yo, they did us a bunch. Come on, let's go. sit in the corner, to be honest. Why didn't? Is it hot? Yo, no lie, that bro. This looks like mad. Alright, let's do this. Oh shoot, those are not rocks. That's some hard ass.
Eddie, hold this for me, please. Hold it.
Hold it.
Yeah, hold it real tight. I gotta go pee.
No, don't pee in the water, you nasty.
Shut up. Bro, I don't know how we're gonna get down.
Yo, it looks nice. Yo, and there was some big ass houses, which I'm gonna record when I go back. All right, y'all. So let's just get settled. Oh, look at the refinery, whatever that thing is called. This is why I'm like kind of scared to go in the water. But you know what? Let's do it. All right.
Eddie, catch.
All right. So I'm gonna try to give these pigeons a Cheeto. So they're like they're all over there. Let's try to do this. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Nigga, don't come there. Bro, did they drop it? Oh shit, they're open! Oh shit! Oh shit! They're open! Maybe! They're all following. Yo, they dead ass followed me, bro. Yo, so this beach was like stupid. We didn't do shit. We're gonna try to find something else to do.
Eddie, turn on the car.
All right. Oh, how do I turn it on? How do I turn it on? Wait, I know how to turn it on. I just not.
That's the wrong one.
Oh, that's why. Oops. Is it this one?
Yes.
All right, so I'll let you know what's happening. Yeah, we might just go like eat something, probably. 'Cause I'm hungry. All right, so yeah, let you guys know. Oh, so we're passing the houses right now, and they're lit. Here, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. That's one of them. Bro, they have like a huge dock in the back.
This one is like for rent.
Yo. Are you crazy, Mimi? You're not that
For
rich.
sale.
Eddie, show them that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna show them all of them. I wonder how I could flip the camera. Look at this one, bro. That one's, oh my god. Yo, these are my babies. Yo, look at that one.
I like this one better.
Yo ho. Oh my god, that one's. Oh, look at them. I'm trying to get out the window because then the air is gonna get in. Look at that one. Look at all these houses. Alright guys, so we literally went to the beach for no reason because that beach sucked ass. There was literally nothing else to do over there. So we're on our way home right now. Hopefully, I'm gonna start editing the video, and I'll just let y'all know when I get home, I guess, cause
I like this one.
sucky vlog. Alright y'all, so today was a shitty vlog. After that I just went home, to be honest. We went home. I mean, we ate after all, but I forgot to record. Yeah, but now I'm gonna finish editing like all these videos that I have to put up. Currently I'm in my sister's room editing. I'm gonna edit. Alright, so this is the outro, I guess. Alright, so make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video and make sure to subscribe. Yeah, I'll be posting more vlogs. Comment if I should post more vlogs. Yeah, it's my first video, so. Oh, and I'm gonna post a reactions video tomorrow. So yeah. Alright, peace guys.